What's up, fam? Welcome to another vlog.
What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Got contents.
Alright, fam, so in this video we are doing a little road trip to Mammoth. It's all our first time there, so we're all pretty stoked. Yeah, I've been living here in California for a while, but never had a chance to go there. So come along, let's go. Alright, fam, so this is our ride for the weekend. This is our rental car. We rented this from Turo, not sponsored, of course. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. Alright, let's go. Alright, fam, so first stop, we're gonna have lunch first. We're gonna go eat some Korean food. Let's go.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어.
So we're finally leaving. We just finished eating. Got myself some coffee. Also them. Alright, let's start this 6-hour road trip. Bruh. Let's get it. What's up again, fam? So Mike's driving now. I totally forgot I was supposed to vlog. I totally forgot to take more clips. Anyway, Jeannie's back there. We just barely passed LA. We still have another 4.5 hours to go. So yeah, I'm gonna try to keep vlogging. Hopefully I can take more clips, but that's up right now. There's really nothing to vlog about. The roads are just normal. There's really not much to see. But if we pass by a nice view or nice area, I'm gonna vlog it. I mean, I'm just gonna take some clips and then, yeah, so I can show it to you. Let's go. Quick little pit stop for some lottery. What did you buy?
Powerball. Oh, thank you, sir.
Let me see. Are we gonna be lucky or what? Alright guys, so we finally made it to Mammoth. We're gonna have dinner here. We originally wanted to go to this one place, but it was so crowded. It was pretty packed, so we ended up coming over here at John's Pizza. Alright, let's go in. It's pretty crowded here, guys. What up, 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 what up? Let's go. Cheers. Have fun today, guys. You ready? You ready to kill it?
I brought my helmet. I'm going crossing.
Bruh.
Bye.
See you, Morgan.
Yeah. Good morning, fam. It's actually now the next day. Time check. It's 10 a.m. I woke up pretty early today. We drank a little bit last night. I woke up pretty early because my friends left early. I'm sure you've seen that clip earlier. So yeah, we're gonna walk around here where we're staying. And yeah, let me show you what's outside. But first, I'm gonna show you a quick house tour. Let's go. Alright guys, come on in. This is a quick house tour. Let's go. So this is somewhat like a 3-story cabin. So there's the basement there. But let's go here first. So that's where, obviously, that's where you can put your shoes. Sorry, the house is a little messy now. We've been here since last night. So I couldn't really vlog last night. We were so tired from driving 6 hours just to get here. So this is our living room. It's a little messy. We drank here last night. We have a nice TV over here. I think this is 47 inches, I think. We have a really, really nice old school fire pit. And then, of course, the dining table. Really nice modern kitchen. I think they just remodeled this because this cabin looks really old, but the inside, especially the kitchen, it looks remodeled. And I've already shown you the view outside earlier. Now let's go upstairs. Come on this way. This is a loft. So we have bunk bed here, one bed here, up here, and another bed here. And all of our belongings are all over the place. Let's go down. I'll show you the bathroom later because Jeannie is in there. Let's go downstairs. Let's go to the dungeon. See, the stairs are all remodeled. It looks nice. But the carpet needs a lot of cleaning, you guys. Alright, this is the second bedroom. Nice queen bed. Old furniture's cabin looking. Nice in-suite bathroom. Shower, of course, toilet. Looks nice. And the view here. That's the view. There's a lot of snow outside. So this is the third bedroom. Then it's also messy because we already slept in here last night. There's another sink here and toilet. There you go. That's it for today's vlog. There's some drugs in here. If you want some, take some. Just kidding. Alright, let's go. You ready?
Ready.
We're gonna walk around real quick. Oh, look at this. What if I drop my mic here, bro? What's gonna happen? I'm gonna cry. Alright, let's go. Let's go walk around. Bro, there's so much snow here right now. Check this out. This is just right outside our door. And then, look at all the snow here, you guys. Wow. Pretty insane. So, that's our patio over there, right?
Yeah.
Right over there. Like, kind of wanted to jump from the patio to the snow. What do you think?
You're gonna hurt yourself.
If you jump from up there to here, I think it'd be fire.
No, I don't think it's gonna
See? See?
it's gonna be
We got so lost last night. Mike was buzzed.
Bro.
So we parked our car. Don't really know where we're staying. So we were like walking in this freaking maze. Wait, this is not the way. See, like right now we're already lost. Let's go this way, bro. Oh shoot, look, check this out. What's in there? See, I guess you can't really jump. You're gonna die. So We just had a little breakfast, a really light Filipino breakfast. We had some champorado. If you're Filipino, you know what it is. Bro, I think we were just here last night. But then again, we couldn't find it.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
So the plan for today, we're gonna go to the ski resort, and then there's a party going on over there. It's called the Apers Party. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. And we're gonna have lunch first. The party starts at 2. Hopefully we can find a parking. I heard the parking is really horrific up there, up in the mountains, or you know, wherever the party is. So yeah, dude, this is where we went. See that? Do you remember that? Wait, let me see. Do you remember that? We parked right across and we went that way. And then we went this way. Anyway, so that's our plan for today, guys. But I'm going to end the vlog here tonight. I'm going to end the vlog here now because I'm going to make another vlog for later when we go out again. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this vlog, make sure you subscribe. I'm outie. Deuces.